Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool IGNTR-OVEN part #W11176454. The Whirlpool IGNTR-OVEN part #W11176454 is a built-in wall oven with a self-cleaning feature. It has a 4.3 cubic foot capacity and is designed to fit into a standard 24-inch opening. The oven features electronic touch controls, digital temperature display, and an adjustable timer. The oven also has a hidden bake element for even baking results and an interior light for easy viewing of food while cooking. The oven also includes two heavy-duty racks that can be adjusted to accommodate different sizes of dishes. The self-cleaning feature uses high temperature. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement oven igniter for Whirlpool ovens. It is used to fix issues with the oven not heating up properly or not heating at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that came with your Whirlpool IGNTR-OVEN part #W11176454. 2. Turn off the power to the oven at the circuit breaker or fuse box. 3. Remove any existing oven from the space and disconnect any wiring connected to it. 4. Place the oven in its desired location and level it using shims if necessary. 5. Connect the wiring to the oven according to local codes and manufacturer's instructions, making sure all connections are secure and tight. 6. Turn on the power to the oven at the circuit breaker or fuse box. And you can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.